bacon wrap chicken bombs. We're gonna start off with 1 brick of cream cheese, and we're going to use Your Behind BBQ's green chili bacon rub. And we're gonna mix that to taste. Okay, so our bowl is mixed. We're gonna set that to the side. Now we got our boneless, skinless chicken thighs out, and now there's gonna be some fat and stuff on here, so fat is flavor, but not a lot of it. I'm gonna be feeding this to a crowd, and I don't really want them to be eating a bunch of fat, so I'm gonna just trim some of this stuff off, some of that fat, and you want them to lay flat out like that. So you got any big pieces sticking up, you can just kind of fillet that back. Because what we're gonna do, we're gonna roll these things. So you want them as flat as possible. Anything hanging like this, we're gonna go ahead and just remove that. Boom. Okay, so now we're going to add 1 jalapeno I got cut up into strips. So they're smaller strips. You can stuff these with anything you want. I just like the jalapeno because it's got a nice little kick to it. So I'll add that to the center. I'll add my cream cheese mixture. And then I'm going to slowly roll just like that. Tuck the cream cheese in, and we're gonna roll them. All right, we got our chicken stuffed. And now, you know my favorite part, we are going to wrap these suckers in bacon. Now, I get the cheap bacon, like you all know, because it's elastic, it's not real thick, and they cook all the way through when you got them wrapped in something. So whenever you wrap anything, just make sure you use real cheap bacon. You use the real thick stuff, it's not gonna work. So I'm also gonna hit it from the sides, kind of tuck that cream cheese in, completely wrap the chicken. All wrapped in bacon. Look at her, she's looking good. All right, now we're gonna go season it. So now you're gonna get yourself a handy dandy little cooling rack. If you don't have a cooling rack, you can set these right on the grill. And we are going to use our Arizona Cajun rub. So you can use any rub that you want on these. The Cajun really meshes well with chicken and bacon, and plus I just love the color. You know, I'm having a lot of people over, and I want it to look good on the grill, so this Cajun really brings out the color and everything as it gets cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start placing these on the rack. Okay, we seasoned these bad boys up. They're ready to hit the grill. But before we do that, I just want to remind you, if you found any value out of this content, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. So I got my Green Mountain Grill. It's fired up at 300 degrees. We're throwing them on. We're gonna go about an hour, and I'm going until this bacon is fully cooked. And when the bacon looks fully cooked, boom, we'll pull it off. Oh man, the color on these things that the Cajun gave it, whoo, look how good. Ah, it smells so good. Nice and crispy bacon. Let's see what we got. Oh, nice gooey inside. Oh, gotta have a bite of this. The crispy bacon, the pop of the jalapeno, the cream cheese. Oh man. If you enjoyed this recipe, wait till you see what we cook next. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.